Is your phone struggling with slow internet? In this video, I'll be showing you how to instantly make your mobile network faster. And this is not a paid apps or hacks like that. This is just a practical method to help improve your network stability and also help you while gaming, streaming, and all of those stuff. Note that this works mostly on Android phones and it helps reduce lag while streaming, while browsing, while gaming, and all of those stuff we do in the internet. But you have to know that you need to watch this video to the very end so that you capture the exact setting and hidden trick that most people don't use, but I often use this to browse. So if you're in a location whereby the internet is very low and you don't often have the free internet to browse, everything is just lagging all around. I'm also in that field currently, but I use this particular method to solve the internet daily without any lag. So I'm going to share the exact step with you. Just follow me in this video. And don't forget, if you are new to this channel, I'm Ego Tech. And this channel we talk about anything related to tech. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and on your notification bell so you miss out on any of our updates. Alright, before we go into that tutorial, what's the slowest application in your mobile phone? Drop that in the comment section and I'll tell you the solution to that. So let's quickly rush into the tutorial that we have today. Let me show you how to make this exact thing possible on your Android phone. Let's go. If you can actually take a close look at my network, you will see how slow the network is. And let me quickly scroll down and enter my Facebook so you realize what I'm talking about. You can see how slow it is to open just my first book, my Facebook rather. So you can see how the network lags in this my area, and this is because the closest mask, I'm using Airtel, so the closest mask here is about 30 to 50 kilometers off from where I am. So the network lags very well, it lags. So and I've been trying to maneuver all these things, but I remember the setting that I used few years ago in my previous location, and I was like, what am I still doing? So I started using it again in this particular location, and I'm going to share this same method with you. All right. So as you can see, the network is lagging. And let's quickly rush to my settings. Let me show you and prove to you that I'm in my 4G mode. As you are seeing already, the 4G is not even behaving like 4G. It's even behaving like 2G. Let me go to my SIM and network. You can see Airtel. Click on Airtel and click on preferred network. You can see I'm in 4G mode, auto 4G. All right. So, but I want it to be in 4G particularly and force the internet to be fast and faster than whatever you're seeing now. Let me quickly show you how to do this. Open this your dialer, or you can also go to the internet and download this application here called Force Light. Are you seeing it? This application called Force Light. You can go to the internet and download this particular application here. You can go download the application. It's very free and easy. But let me quickly show you the best method instead of wasting your data and downloading all those applications. Maybe you won't even have network to download it. Let me show you how to maneuver all those things and still get the best result ever. All right. So if you open your dialer, if you've been following me, you realize some of the hacks I've been sharing with you exactly with using this code, and I'm still going to share more. So if you dial this particular code here, this star hash 4636 hash star, this window will pop up. You click on phone information, and don't click randomly in this particular phase. Okay, just because of some security reasons, I'm revealing this to you, and make sure you use it carefully. All right, so click on this place here, set preferred network type. As you can see, set preferred network type. So you click on this arrow here, then you see this bunch of options that you have to select. If you some of them won't allow you to make calls even. All right, so if you select this light only, you can't be able to make calls on your mobile phone again. But if you set it, for me, I set it in light and WCDMA just because of my business. I need to be receiving calls. But if I strictly need it for internet and I want it to be extremely faster than anything ever, just leave it in that light only. And after everything, you can still come and set it back so that you can be making calls. So if you set it in this light WCDMA or in light only, any one of them, mark the place you removed it from. Mark it. It was previously here, this GSM, WCDMA, or light, but I removed it to light WCDMA just so that I'll be receiving calls. But mostly put it at light so that while I'm browsing, no one can disturb me. And if you've been following me, you realize I made a video some time ago on how you can browse the internet while your airplane mode is on. So this all these things is what I teach you in this channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. Okay, let's which one are we going to leave it? So that I'll be making calls. Let me leave it at light and WCDMA. So now if you click here, you allow it to load. You can actually click on this three dots at the top right of your screen and click on disable data. For my own is on currently, so that network will reset automatically and activate the light WCDMA option that I selected. So you click on enable data connection again, and let's check the same Facebook that we opened previously. Let's know how fast it will be. Are you seeing that everything is extremely faster than it was now because I activated this particular option? And this is what you'll be using if you want your internet to be extremely fast. All right. So after surfing the internet and everything is very easy, fast, and all of those stuff as you are seeing it here. Very easy, very fast, and reliable. This is not bad, you get. So this is even if your location is having low network, you can actually use this and surf the internet for free. All right, and it will be faster than any other one previously. And even if you're in a location where you have network but you don't want someone to call you while streaming or gaming online, you can actually use this setting here. All right, so let's go back and reset that. Click on this phone service, or you still die the same code. You still die the same code and come back here. Let me put it in this WGSM as it was before. So I put it here, I go back. That's just it. Go back. So you can be able to make calls now. I'll also make some videos more about this particular information that I'm sharing with you now. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. As an Ego Tech, I'll be unfolding more tech informations for you. All right. I believe now you quickly know how to make your internet faster and more stable while browsing and gaming online. So with these simple methods, I believe you are now free to do anything you want to do with the internet in that low location that you are. But sorry, I'm also in that low location, so to say. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our tech updates like this. I'm Ego Tech. See you guys in my next video. Hit the subscribe button and bye.